In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can share your Instagram story to your WhatsApp status. So I have here my Instagram story and I'd like to go ahead and share it to my WhatsApp. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel to support me. So to do that, it is quite simple. Just tap on your Instagram story. And then below it here, you can see we have the share option. Go ahead and tap on it. We have two options here, either to share on Facebook or to share on WhatsApp. For my case, I'll go ahead and tap on WhatsApp because that's where we want to share. Now this will go ahead and share the story directly to WhatsApp. And then you can see we have status here. So I can go ahead and share it on my WhatsApp status. You can also play it to make sure that it is the exact story that you want to share. So to finalize, just go ahead and tap on proceed here. And then this will proceed and start sending it to your WhatsApp status. Now, if I go to my WhatsApp status, I should be able to see this Instagram story on my WhatsApp. So let's go ahead and open WhatsApp and see if that has been uploaded successfully. Now, here we go. If I go ahead and open my WhatsApp status, you can see the Instagram story has been shared successfully. And now here it is. Let me tap on it. And now look at that. It has been shared. And you can see here an indication that the source is from Instagram. So that's how you share your Instagram story to your WhatsApp status. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.